Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix groups not loading on Telegram. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to try to do is simply go ahead and clear your cache and data. So in order to do that, open your Telegram application and open settings. Once you've done that, scroll down to data and storage and tap on storage usage on the top, and finally tap on clear entire cache right over here. Once you've done that, it should go ahead and fix the problem. However, if it still doesn't, then it could be also because of your internet connection. Try switching between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data. Ensure that VPN is always turned off, and also try to turn on and turn off airplane mode just to give it that quick refresh. The other thing you could do is open your settings and then go down to general, scroll all the way down to transfer reset, and then click on reset and reset network settings. This should fix the problem. However, if it still doesn't, just uninstall and reinstall your Telegram application. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.